everyone, welcome to Online Study for You, one step solution for all your placement needs. I hope you all are well and safe. In this video, we are going to discuss about an online challenge that is from AmDoc. So make sure to watch the complete video. In this video, I will tell you about the eligibility criteria, branches eligible, batches eligible. Also, just a quick reminder, if you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel, do subscribe. This channel is really going to be helpful for all of you. Also, do install our online study for you app. This app has various resources so that you can prepare and ace your placement exam. As the TCS has again started hiring for 19 and 20 batch students, so make sure to check out our TCS NQT 2021 crash course. This course has all the important concepts covered along with the TCS NQT October questions, which is going to be really helpful for you. Do check our course. Link for the courses given in the description itself. Guys, as online study for you has given 1000 plus results, so start your journey of preparing for TCS from our TCS NQT coding live crash course, which has started from 20th of Feb. Be a part of this course. The price is just rupees 149, so that you all can prepare. The link for the course is given in the description itself. Happy learning. So basically, this is AmDocs Hackfest 2021. The first prize, so the winners will get some prizes as if mentioned here as well. The first prize, second prize. Second prize is 50,000 rupees. First prize is 1 lakh rupees. And exciting gadgets will be also provided to top 10 winning students, right? So AmDocs India present AmDocs Hackfest 2021, India's versatile coding and hackathon competition for engineering graduates. This three-phase challenge will tickle your gray cells and push you to create unique solutions and innovative approaches, right? The competition will consist of three phases. An aptitude and coding round is there. Next round is idea submission round. Third round is on-site presentation round. We at AmDocs look forward to meeting and engaging with you through a series of industry problem statements. Eligibility criteria they have mentioned is BE, BTech, second, third and fourth year students, right? MCA, second and third year students are eligible. And here also you can see. So here you can see coding and hackathon challenge for round 1, which is going to happen from 5 to 14th March. Standard aptitude and coding round is this one. So participating students will have to prove their coding skills and standard competencies in an online coding and aptitude test. Result will be declared around 15th to 18th March. Participants will be filtered and qualified for round 2. Qualified participants will receive communication from HackerEarth by 18th March. Round 2 is going to start from 18 to 29 March. This is an idea submission round. Participants will form teams and share their ideas on the HackerEarth portal. Result for this one will be announced by 30 March to 8 April. Submitted ideas will be assessed. Impressive ideas with viable substance will be selected for the next round. Qualifying participants and team will receive communication from HackerEarth on 8th of April. And the next round is round 3, that is going to happen on 23 April. Virtual grand finale. Qualified teams will present their proof of concept and prototypes to the AmDocs jury. Participating teams will present their ideas, working proof of concept and prototypes to the winning AmDocs jury. Winners will be announced at the grand finale, followed by prize distribution by AmDocs leadership, right? So there are great prizes to be won. 1 lakh rupees first prize, second prize 50,000 and exciting gadgets for top 10 students, for top 10 winners, right? So this is a wonderful opportunity, guys, to prove your coding skills, to learn something. Obviously, I would recommend that you all should participate. So for participation, what you have to do, just click on register here. If you are already having an account on HackerEarth, so simply you have to do this, log in. Otherwise, you have to make your profile on HackerEarth, right? After logging or signing up, here you have to mention your full name, you have to select your gender, you have to mention your current location, provide your contact number, right? Mention the institute name, You can choose any accordingly, right? You have to mention the degree, right? You have to mention the stream, that is computer science or any other. You have to select the graduation year. So from the given options you can select. You have to mention your CGPA or percentage here. 10th marks percentage you have to mention. 12th marks percentage mention. Select the degree, that is BTech, BE, accordingly you can choose, and upload your resume and just click on register for challenge, and that's it guys. Do register. I hope this video has helped you a lot. Do subscribe our channel. Do install our online study for you app. Thank you so much. Bye bye.